Hi everyone, it's Nancy Wethington here. I'm doing my first project, or showing you my first project of 2021. It's a travel tote. And let me flip this around a minute. Opens. All kinds of goodies inside. We'll close it. It has a latch. It has handles on the side. And it also gets some flowers on top, and I save those to show you in the video on how I do those. So let's take a look inside. This is done with beautiful blue fern passages paper. And on the inside of the lid, and I hope you can see this, it's kind of weird angle for me, there's some envelopes. You can put tickets, or I like to also collect money from different places when I'm traveling. It's tied with a ribbon, and you have a really cute little charm. You'll get a bunch of charms in your kit. The lid is reinforced, and it's held back with ribbons, so you can see those on the side. And inside, whoops, is decorated as well. Whoop, not good light right now, do I? It's so ugly outside, I can't do this outside. Love this paper though. Isn't it gorgeous? I'll tell you, Blue Fern does a great job with their designs. Just beautiful designs. So I want to take a look at what's on the inside and what you will be building. You will be building this box. And there's directions, of course, of how to build it. It's very, very easy. It's from Gypsy Soul Laser Cuts, and we designed this specifically for Button Farm Club. And like I said, I'll show you how to put the flowers on in a little bit. So inside, you will have 6 8x8 scrapbook pages. These are loose. So we're not making a book necessarily. We're making a keepsake of sorts. So the first one is a flip. So we're going to take this heart off. It does have a magnet on the back. You'll have 2 flips. One opens to the left, one opens to the right. Plenty of space for journaling or a photo. And then that gorgeous train image again. And then this is part of the ephemera pack that you'll have in your kit as well. Take me anywhere, and about right now, that's how I feel. Love to be traveling. And then the back side of each of these is also decorated. Some interactive. This one is not, but after I already had my paper glued down, and of course, when you know it, I'd use wet glue, I just thought, you know what, I wish I would have cut this open to make a pocket. So honestly, if I had to do this again, I would take a craft knife and I would go right along this heart line, right here. Okay, cut around that. Then you would want to glue on top here, down the side, down the bottom or across the bottom, and up the side again. But no glue in the center here, because that's where you could tuck something in. Either a tag or another photo. You'll have a couple of things left over that you could make tags out of, or photo mats or whatever. But honestly, I wish I would have done it. Hindsight, right? Okay, so that's page 1. Page 2 is a destination side pocket page. Tuck some photos in there. And the back side is a flip. Isn't this cute? That's in your ephemera pack. So this slides open, and then this opens up, And you have a nice journaling page. And then you have a nice big center. And this I've left open, fussy cut around the suitcases so you could slide something back there. And then this, every mile is a new memory. And another place for either photos or journaling. Okay, so that's page 2. Slip this behind sights and it closes up the page. Page 3, I've included in your kit some of my lace collections. Not all lace will look like this. Not every kit will have the same lace because it's from my private collection. But you will have what I'm calling an antique pin. And a couple more charms I've hung from this. And then this "We Are Here" is cut from a piece of the ephemera, from the 12 by 12 paper, and that can be used as a tuck behind. Okay, so this is a top flip. So this will flip open, and the top portion has another side pocket with some lines if you want to do some journaling. Love makes the world go round. And then the bottom is a pocket. So again, this is ephemera from your ephemera pack that's included with your kit. Darling little bird. Letters dispatched. So that's the front of page 3. Then the back of page 3 has a side pocket, a skinny side pocket. Okay, page 4. Love this train image. Now this particular train around the world and this pink bus ticket are all part of the ephemera pack that you'll get. And this is a double pocket. So you'll have room, and it's kind of deep pockets. We're going to make them deep. So you'll have room to put something in here and room to put something in here, whether it be photographs or tags or whatever you think is best. But you can see there's dimension to those pockets. And then the back side is the paper with the balloon. And then this is in the ephemera kit. That's another balloon, and I just layered it to make it look like there might be 2 balloons in the air. And then ephemera from the kit. More ephemera with a little tuck behind at the bottom. Excuse me. And that's the back of page 4. Page 5. I really like this page. This is an envelope that you're going to secure closed with clear Velcro dots. You can put anything in here you want. Again, it can be tickets, a letter, postcards, and then the envelope acts as a tuck behind. This beautiful camera image is in the ephemera kit. And I just made that into another tuck behind if you want, or you can journal on the front, and then a plain back for photos or more journaling. And I wanted to do a little demo. This just slides behind the envelope, but I wanted to do a demo on how to make this envelope, because it's really easy if you have a Martha Stewart scoreboard.